Hi, today we'll learn about overriding ToString method of a class, and we'll learn about what is the need of doing that. I mean, why we need to override a ToString method of a class. Um, you can see we have a simple class circle that has a area as its property, and the circle's constructor takes radius as a value to create a circle object. So here in the main method, we have a circle object C1, and what if we try to use the ToString method on the circle object? So here, as you can see, when I type C1 dot, it is giving me few methods. Now, where are these methods coming from? These methods are coming from its parent class object. Any class you write in C# is always having a parent class called as object class. So these methods are actually implemented in its parent class object, and if we do not override it, it will automatically call this ToString method from its parent class, that is object class. So suppose right now, let's just call this method. Now let's see if we run this program what it prints for c1.toString. Okay, so here you can see it is printing it's the complete name of the class compared to console is the namespace and circle is name of the class. So it is interpreting that when I say object.toString, it means it should convert to the string its complete or full name of the class. But I do not want. Instead of that, I want to print something else when I call c1.toString method. So let's see how to do that. So what I want to do is I do not want to call the method of the parent class, that is object class. Instead of that, I want to write my own implementation of ToString method. To do that, you can write public override. Here you can have option which method of the object class you want to override. I select ToString and it gives me default implementation. So right now this default implementation is using area attribute, and it is returning the circle area is equal to whatever area of the current object. So for time being, let's see, it is okay. This is the implementation I want. All right. So right now, let's see what it prints for the ToString method. All right. So now the ToString method is not giving me a simple class name anymore. It is actually printing the circle area is equal to whatever area of the circle is. So right now, by implementing my own ToString method, by overriding it, I can make a useful use of the ToString method. Rather than printing some garbage thing, I want to print some meaningful information about the object. So depending upon your application, you can override your ToString method in your class, and inside that you can decide what information about that object you want to uh, return the string as. Thank you.